Kwa mbele nyakora mgajonjala kuom Gavana Mombasa giotiko mar UDA Hassan Omar oseyo mokalo kang maduol mar IEBC chungo yiero mar kuom Gavana ma county no Mombasa. Omar loso ka wacho ni okang mar IEBC chungo yiero mar Gavana Mombasa wirani chochni e chwalo tese magombolo ok gima kare ni mar jopiny no seikore ne yiero no.
We were actually informed well before the announcement was made that the postponement was imminent, on the basis that it was practically not possible to have the elections on the basis that there were no ballot papers, and these ballot papers could not be delivered into Mombasa timely for us to go into a poll. That is extremely negligent on the part of the IEBC. It is unacceptable. The monies and the resources we had put, the energies we had put in, the human personnel that had volunteered, people who had traveled down not only from Kenya, from other parts of Kenya, but also from other parts of the world, who are Kenyan voters who had decided this time were coming to change this society. We therefore urge our supporters, that was the actual import of this press conference, not to develop apathy, to ensure that they get out and vote for UDA and vote for President William Ruto.